Hello, everyone. Welcome to SmartMe. We are going to be talking about an important feature of Slack, search. Slack is like a sea of messages, or even a jungle, if you like. It is very easy to get lost because of the number of messages that comes to one person. Let's say someone shared a link to you in the channel a long time ago. Fast forward, some times have passed, and now you need the same link again. And you don't want to be that guy that keeps asking for the same thing every time. So you need to now go and find that link in the channel. But the challenge now is there has been tons of messages after that initial message. And so you can practically scroll through thousands of messages to get to that one that you are looking for. So we are going to head over to the channel where we know that that message was sent earlier. In this case, it is the general channel. Once we are in the channel, we are simply going to go to the search bar and then type a phrase or keyword that we can remember from the previous message. So we are going to say guys. Now, typing in the search bar is going to return results from the channel, as well as you can see even from Slack bot as well, containing the word guys that we have searched. But what we want to do is we want to filter further to limit the search results to just the general channel. And the way we are going to do that is to come to the filter button here. You can come here. We are going to come to the in here, and we are going to say general, and then we select search. Now, as you can see, with this, we now have all the search results that is purely in the general. Now, but we have guys from different people. Imagine if this is your company's channel, you are going to have probably thousands of results or hundreds of results, as the case may be. What we want to do is to filter it further by saying the person that sent it. Now, if you can see from the interface already, we can already click on the from here and select Smart. With this, we're able to see all the Slack messages from Smart that contains the keyword guys. And we can now select the one that we are looking for, which is definitely this first one. We can click on it to go to the exact message in history, and then we can make use of the link as we want. There are other filters that we can apply. For example, if there are other people that are involved in that conversation, we can add their name as well with the with filter, and then we can, for example, if you want to find all messages between Smart and JRecount in the general channel, we can simply just click on search, and then we can see that these are all the messages that involve Smart and JRecount. In this first one, Smart was mentioned in JRecount, and then in the second one, it actually has a thread in it. There are other cool filters that we can still do, that we can use. We can use the date time filter. We can also use only include channels I'm in. We can use exclude bot. For example, in the first search that we have, where we are searching for guys, if we had clicked on exclude apps, bots, and workflows, we would not see the result from Slack bot, as we have seen earlier. In addition to performing search in the channel, we can also search private conversations as well that we've had with different people, right? The search is the same thing. The search interface is the same thing. For example, in this case now, we can just say from Smart, right? And then we see all our conversations with Smart, and then we can also further refine the search as we desire. For example, I can say from Smart, and then I can now begin to say to look for the keyword thanks. So, and then to refine the search even further. Beyond the normal filters that we've had before, we can also refine our search further with even more properties. For example, we can select if a message that we are searching for has a file, if it has an action, if it has a link, if it's a direct message, if it's saved, if the message you are looking for is in a thread. So this is very interesting. Let's say, for example, we want to search for the message from Smart that is in a thread, right? So we can just say from Smart first, and then we come to more filters, and then we say in a thread, and then we hit the search button, and then we can see that all these responses are responses to a thread. So if you click on it, see that it's a response to a thread conversation. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.